Hey everybody, Brett Thompson here at Thompson Law Group. All right, this is another video blog. The issue for today in the Closing Ninja Classroom is title insurance. I get a lot of questions about what is title insurance, do I need it, what does it cover, what's it for, how do I pay for it. So this is just a crash course, about 2 minutes. It's not going to cover everything, but I'm going to give you like the Cliff Notes version of what it is. Title insurance. So it ensures that you own the property and there's nobody else in the world that can claim an ownership interest in the property. There's no judgment liens, there's no mortgages other than one that you may have put on it when you purchased it. So it insures against title defects, all right, as opposed to hazard insurance that insures if the house burns down or something. That's completely different. This deals with the title ownership of the property. So let's, for example, missing heirs. This is a farm, okay? Farmer Brown owned the farm at one time, 50 years ago, all right? Farmer Brown died. He had 10 kids. The 10 kids wanted to sell the farm to a developer. 9 of the 10 kids signed the deed to the developer. The 10th kid was in Europe somewhere, okay? So the developer develops the farm and he puts lots in there. Okay? And there's houses all in the lots. And 50 years goes by and you want to buy this house. You love the house. It's your dream house, okay? You're a smart person. You don't really want to spend the money for the title insurance. So you purchase this house. Well, the sole heir, the son of the 10th child that didn't sign the deed, the week after you close on this property, can knock on your door and say, hey, my dad was an heir to Farmer Brown. He didn't sign the deed. Therefore, I technically and legally own an undivided 1/10 interest in your house. So give me my money, all right? So that's an example of a risk involved in a missing heir, meaning that we don't have all the people in the chain of title that signed the deed, that conveyed 100% of the property throughout the chain of title, throughout time. Another scenario, okay, would be judgments. So let's say that you love this house, it's a great price, it's a short sale, and you want to buy it, okay? So, and you don't want to spend the money on the title insurance. Well, this fellow right here loves gambling, all right? So he went to Atlantic City a month before, and he ran up 2 credit cards. He had a credit card for Bank of America, and he had a Citibank card. And he maxed them both out, $50,000. He put it all on black, and he let it roll. And he lost everything, okay? Came home penniless. Now he's got to sell his house. Well, he didn't pay Bank of America and Citicard back, so they sued him, and they got judgments against him, all right? Those judgments, when they are docketed in the land records, constitute a lien on the house, okay? So you didn't know that because you didn't do a title search, you didn't get title insurance. So you buy the house, you love it. You're living in the house for a month, you're mowing the grass, you're paying the taxes, everything's great. You get a knock on the door from Bank of America. Bank of America says, we have a judgment lien on this house. The prior owner, your seller, did not pay the credit card debt. We got a judgment against him. You owe us $50,000. If you don't pay us the $50,000, we are going to auction off your property for sale. All right? That's another risk involved in not getting title insurance. So there also could be risk involved in unreleased mortgage liens, also known as deeds of trust here in Virginia. So title insurance insures against all those risks, okay? That you own the property, there aren't any liens, there aren't any encumbrances, there's no what we call clouds on title. So it covers all that kind of stuff there. So hopefully I have enlightened you today, and maybe have a better understanding of what title insurance is. It covers a lot more stuff than that, and there's a whole lot more dangers and risks, but you all don't have the attention span to watch me for 30 minutes talk about title insurance. So that in a nutshell, this is me in a nutshell. Remember that movie? It's title insurance. Have a great day.